Use a soft preservation cap over the caulk tube tip every time you pause work to prevent tip damage and contamination. When you choose a soft rubber preservation cap, pick one that fits snugly without stretching the nozzle too far, because excessive tension will deform the tip. Before capping, clear any fresh residue with a gentle wipe using a cloth or paper towel so the cap seats cleanly and does not drag cured bits back into the opening. If you routinely store partially used tubes upright, place them tip up to reduce internal pressure on the nozzle when temperature changes occur. Avoid forcing a rigid stopper into a thin plastic tip, because that action bends and cracks the lip, which causes poor bead formation later. When you must cut back a hardened or misshapen opening, make a very small incremental trim with a sharp utility knife, then test cut on scrap so you only enlarge the exit as much as necessary. Consider swapping to a replaceable tubular applicator tip like a Tubanu style product when you anticipate repeated recapping, because those tips are designed for repeated use and maintain a consistent bead profile. Common mistakes start with using hard plugs that split or crack the nozzle, which causes irregular flow and makes finishing work harder. So use soft caps instead and inspect the tip before each use. People often jam caps on when the nozzle still has pressurized material inside, which forces cured material into the throat and creates blockages. So relieve internal pressure by wiping the tip and easing plunger tension before capping. Another issue is repeatedly trimming off too much of the nozzle, which widens the bead and wastes material. So make smaller incremental cuts and test on scrap until you get the desired bead size. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and tools to compare options based on real project needs. We also host an active discussion community where we share practical tips and where contractors and homeowners can exchange experience and find work and collaborators.